Assalamualaikum everyone. This time I will make tutorial slime and Playdough. Let's make slime, spoon and bowl, coloring food, glue, baby oil, glue, shampoo, and water. Step 1. Prepare the bowl. Open the glue. Pour it the glue. And pour it the water. Mix and mix. Next, put down, then mix. Pour it sample and then mix. Put baby oil, then mix. The final step is to enter the D you want, but I like the color yellow. And then you make sure will be. Yay! The slime is finished! Ooh, love this slime! Tutorial slime, the finish, and the next tutorial, Play-Doh. Material needs 1. Flour, spoon and bowl, water, oil, and salt. Now, make a Play-Doh. Prepare 3 spoons of salt, then 2 spoons of water and stir until blended. Give enough coloring. Add enough oil to stir until smooth. And the last one, add flour, stir until evenly distributed. Yay! Play-Doh can be formed! Thank you for watching the video and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum.